What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and play Arc Raiders. So first of all we need to open any browser, then on your browser search for Arc Raiders like this, and then it will show you the official website of Arc Raiders. Make sure to visit this one. Now you can see this game is available on Steam, Epic Games, PS5, Xbox and GeForce Now. So this game is paid, that's why we need to buy it first, and to do that click on buy now, and then it will show you the platforms this game is available. So select the platform where you wanna buy this game. So let's say I wanna buy it on my Steam, then I can just select the Steam option from here. If you wanna get it on your PS5 or Xbox, then select the option accordingly. I want to buy it on Steam, that's why I'll select Steam from here. Now it will redirect me to the Steam store page, and from here you can check out the Arc Raiders screenshot and all the details you wanna check. And now to buy this game, we need to add this game into our cart. So select the edition you wanna buy. We have standard edition and deluxe edition. So I wanna get standard edition, so that's why I'll add it to my cart, and then visit your cart, then go to continue to payment and make your payment. So all kinds of payment methods are available for buying this game. So I'll just select Visa from here, enter your credentials and do the payment. Once your payment is done, the game will be added on your platform library. On my Steam library, you can see the game on this games list. Just select the game and then the installation option will be shown here. Select install and then choose the file path where you want to install this game. Now the size of the game is 40 GB, so that's why make sure that the drive you are selecting has 40 GB storage. So I have free up the storage here. Then select install and accept the conditions, and the game will start downloading on your platform. You can see the downloading has started. To see the download progress, go to download from the bottom, and then you can see the download progress. Once the download is complete, the game will be ready to play. You can just select play and start playing the game. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.